Number 40. The food web shows the feeding relationships in a woodland. If all the chaffinches in the food web die, which effect would this have? Funny word there, chaffinches. Chaffinch. It's a small bird. Okay, it's a common small European bird. So if chaffinches die, then there is a increase. There's an increase in the number of caterpillars because less chaffinches eat caterpillars, so their numbers will increase. However, if there's an increase in caterpillars, then there's a decrease in trees. It's possible to see decrease in the number of trees. So the right answer will be A. The amount of damage to trees will increase. Right. So more caterpillars will eat the trees. So A is correct. B is not. The food supply for gray squirrels will increase. No. More damage will be done on trees. So the food supply for gray squirrels will decrease. The number of wood pigeons will increase? Nope. For the same reason? Nope. The population of caterpillars will decrease? No. Like I said before, less chaffinches will cause increase in the number of caterpillars. So, the right answer for the last question for 2022 May-June Paper 2, version 21 question, paper, not question, paper, is A. Okay? Hey, thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. It will mean a lot to me. Thanks guys.